Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to set up sleep tracking on Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra 2. First of all, go to Samsung Wearable Application on your smartphone. Then go to Watch Settings by tapping right here. And then you're gonna have to go to Health section. Open this menu. Then install the health application if prompted and give the health application all the permissions right here. Once you're done, you're gonna have to open the health application itself. And in Samsung Health, you're gonna have to scroll down to Sleep Tile and tap on it. And then tap the three-dot icon in the top right corner and select Set Target. Okay, and once you have set your target, just tap Done. And right now, from now, your sleep will be tracked if you're wearing your watch during your sleep. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.